Hi, good morning. Welcome to AAT Tech Talk on Java programming, subject code ACS 552. Myself Devender. This is brief introduction of subject and myself. In the next slide we are going to introduce the topic name. The topic is data types and their sizes. Data types in Java. There are majorly two types of languages. First one, statistically typed, where each variable and expression type is already known at compile time. Once a variable is declared to be a certain data type, it cannot hold values of each other. Example, C++, Java. The other is dynamically typed data types. These languages can receive different data types over time. Example, Ruby and Python. These are majorly known languages which we dealt in our daily life. Now, getting into the topic, classification of data types. Data types are majorly classified into primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are further classified into Boolean type and numeric type. In Boolean type, it is only Boolean. We deal with true or false. In numeric, character value and integral value. Character value is characters. Example, A, B, C, so on. Integral value, we deal with integer and floating point. In integer, byte, short, int, long. In floating type, float and double. Now coming to non-primitive data types. They are classified into string, array and etc. These are basic type of data types in Java. We are going to further discuss in detail about these types in this video, so don't skip it. There are 8 primitive data types. First one, Boolean. Boolean data type represents only one bit of information, either true or false, but the size of the Boolean data type is virtual machine dependent, so we cannot decide the Boolean type data size. The syntax of Boolean is Boolean is a data type and variable name is Boolean variable. Size, it is virtual machine dependent. The values that Boolean take, true or false. The default value stored in Boolean variable is false. This is brief explanation of Boolean type. Further slides we are going to discuss further. This is a small example of Boolean data types, just introduction. Class my program. Public static void main, string arguments. Boolean b is equal to true. If b double equal to true. System.out.println dev. The output will be dev because basically the default value in a Boolean variable is false, but we initialize with the true. And again, if statement, if b double equal to true, then print dev, so output is dev. This is brief explanation of Boolean type. Second, we are going to deal with byte data type. The byte data type is 8-bit signed 2 complement integers. The byte data type is useful for saving memory in large arrays. The syntax for byte data type is byte variable. Size is 1 byte, that is 8 bits. The value that byte variable takes is from -128 to +127. The default value of byte variable is 0. So now we are going to discuss short data type. Short is a data type, is an integer data type which deals with integer values. The syntax with short data type is short space short variable. The size of a short data type is 2 bytes, that is 16 bits. The values that short data type takes are from minus 32,768 to 32,767. The default value that short data type stores is 0. So in this slide we have discussed about byte data type. Its size is 1 byte. It takes values from minus 128 to 127. The default value is 0 and syntax is byte space byte variable. And short, its size is 2 bytes, that is 16 bits. Syntax short space short variable. It takes values from 32768 to 32767. Its default value is 0. So moving further, here we are going to discuss about int and long. Int deals with integer type, as we can know from its name, and its syntax is int space int variable. The size of int data type is 4 bytes, that is 32 bits. It takes values from negative 2147483 to 21 positive 2147483. Some big values. The default value is 0. Next we are going to discuss about long data type. Its syntax long space long variable. Its size is 8 bytes, that is 64 bits. So it can store huge data. It takes values from negative 9223372 036854777 5808, pretty as 2 phone numbers. It's too long. 922337236854777 5808. Oh, these two values combined will get a phone number of our family. It stores the default value 0. That's fine. In this slide we have discussed about int and long. Some briefly explained. The size of int is 4 bytes. Default value is 0. Syntax is int space int variable. For long, size is 8 bytes. Default value is 0. Syntax is long space long variable. Moving further, here we are going to discuss about float and double. These both data types deals with floating type values, which contains decimal points. The syntax for float data type: float space float variable. The size of float data type is 4 bytes, that is 32 bits. It takes values up to 7 decimal digits, that is a value after dot up to 7 decimals. Its default value is 0.0. Moving further, double data type. It also deals with floating type values. Its syntax is double space double variable. The size of double data type is 8 bytes, that is 64 bits. The double data type takes values up to 16 decimal digits, pretty much long, that is 0 dot up to 16 decimals. Its default value is 0, which is same for float and double, except the values it takes and size. Some small difference between float and double, and syntax is differed, where for float is float space float variable and double is double space double variable. This is brief explanation of float and double. Moving further, in this slide we are going to discuss about character variable. It deals with the characters, that is alphabets, special characters, etc. Syntax: character space character variable. Its size is 2 bytes, that is 16 bits. It takes values from 0 to FFF, that is 65535. Its default value is \U0000. That is pretty much about character. Further, we are going to discuss a small example about these data types we have discussed so far. They are, so let's get into the example. Class, object name, public static void main part, character a equal to g, int I equal to 89, byte b is equal to 4, short s is equal to 56, double d is equal to 4.35545 3532. Float f is equal to 4.7333434f. So let's print these values. System.out.println char, similarly integer, similarly byte, short, float, double. So far we have learned the syntaxes are pretty much similar. That is, for character it's character space character variable, and integer, byte, short, double and float. After printing these values we get char g, integer 89, byte 4, short 56, float 4.733343, double 4.35545352. So that is pretty much about primitive data types. There are 8. So moving further, we are going to discuss about non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types, they are also known as reference data types. The reference data types will contain a memory address of a variable value, because the reference types won't store the variable value directly in memory. So non-primitive data types are classified into strings, objects, arrays, etc. Classes also comes under this type. So moving further, let's discuss briefly. First, strings. Strings are defined as an array of characters. A group of characters combined together are known as strings. The difference between a character array and a string is the string is terminated with a special character \0. From that we can differentiate a character array and a string. Next, object. It is the basic unit of object-oriented programming, which is Java, and it represents the real life entities, that is day-to-day problems, etc. Next, arrays. An array is a group of similar type variables that are referred to by a common name. So rather than using a number of variables, we can use one variable and store n number of values. That is array of same data type. So this is a brief explanation. Once we can check. So now we'll see whatever we have discussed so far. The topic is data types and their sizes. So data types in Java, basically the major types of programming languages are statistically typed, and dynamically typed. Statically typed are C, C++, Java. Dynamically typed are Ruby and Python. So, classification of data types. There are primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are further classified into 8 data types. Non-primitive are classified into strings, array, and etc. So, Boolean. Its size depends on virtual machine. It's virtual machine dependent. It takes values true or false. Default value is false. This is a small example to explain Boolean data type. Byte data type. Its size is 1 byte, that is 8 bits. Its default value is 0. Short data type. Its size is 2 bytes, that is 16 bits. Default value is 0. Int. Its size is 4 bytes, that is 32 bits. Default value is 0. Long. Its size is 8 bytes, that is 64 bits. Default value is 0. Float. Its size is 4 bytes, that is 32 bits. Default value is 0.0. Double. Its size is 8 bytes, that is 64 bits. Default value 0.0. Character. Its size is 2 bytes, that is 16 bits. This is small example regarding 8 primitive data types explained. So now non-primitive data types, they are string, object and arrays. This is a brief explanation of what we have discussed so far. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. And this is end of it. Thank you.